Alright, we're on our way to the La Fortuna waterfall. I did not bring swimming attire, but I'm wearing shorts that I don't care about getting wet, so we might end up taking a little bit of a dip. Ooh, there it is! Wow! That is gorgeous. So massive. We're almost there. You can kind of see it through the trees. There it is. Y'all, the water is so blue. Like it literally looks like from a movie. Wow. So many fishies. These wild Thomases are everywhere in Costa Rica. Look at the way it crawls across the rocks. Ooh. Oh, so exotic. What a rarity. All right, Thomas crossed the river. So now I gotta bring it on the GoPro. Woo! It's chilly, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's tall enough now. Good spot. We found the spot. I thought that was a snake. Right there. Shut the f up. It's not a snake. Hello. Oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. Wow. All right, Thomas disappeared into the jungle, so... Oh my god, a butterfly. How pretty. Bye, butterfly. Thomas disappeared into the jungle, so it's time for me to find him. There's like a trail up this way. I'm so confused. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it was supposed to rain today. It is sunny and beautiful. Wow. This is the spot. Nice find. goodness. Where'd he go? I lost my wild Thomas. Oh, I hear it. I hear his mating call. He didn't respond to the normal mating call. Y'all, my Australian accent is bad, really bad. It honestly just sounds like somewhat offensive, I'm not even gonna lie. What the f? Where'd he go? That way? Oh my god. All right. Oh Jesus. We really trekking. I found my wild Thomas. This is the most beautiful trail I've ever been on. Ooh. Zinnias everywhere, they're so pretty. And they flower. Thomas is barefoot out here, literally in the rainforest, like there aren't spiders the size of our fists and fire ants everywhere. YOLO. He says YOLO. I love this GoPro. All right, we have to make it back across. Our stuff's over there. Thomas is gonna be Monkey Man. I'm just going in the water. I'll embrace the fishies nibbling my toes and the chilliness because it is quite cold. Ooh! And slippery. Oh my God, but it's... Really? Why did you do that? Do what? You pulled me in! You got this. We made it across. All right, we're leaving. It was beautiful, so much fun. Bye La Fortuna waterfall.